Yeah, so you said you did lots of research before even making any decisions. At what point did you come across renuval?
I actually got online, and I got online originally for the Bangkok Phuket Hospital, and it came up, and in fact I thought I was dealing with the hospital direct until I think it was one of the emails that I thought, oh, I'm dealing with a middleman here, and I thought, oh, I'm not sure I like that, and I thought, I'm not too sure whether I like it or not, and but then getting to know Cherry, I mean, has been fantastic. Has just looked after me no end, and just getting to know their organisation. There was a miscommunication in one of them. Their owner even sent me a beautiful email about what his side of his opinion of it all was. So they've been very supportive all the way along, and found me another hospital here in Bangkok. Put up a number of options. They gave me a few options, and just kept putting up surgeons. And then with my own research that I did, I said, oh, well, what about this surgeon? And oh yes, well, he can work out of either that hospital or this hospital, but we'd recommend this hospital. And so it's working in combination with them, and it's not felt like a middleman at all. It's just felt like dealing with the hospital. And in fact, to get answers, which is one of the reasons why I didn't go with Bumrungrad, is I was dealing with the hospital. Had I been dealing with you guys, with renuval,
Yeah.
Sorry.
Should we try that again?
Yeah.
Dealing with.
To know that you guys were dealing with the hospitals in super quick time, whereas I couldn't do that from what I'm, directly dealing with the hospital. So, and Cherry knew the people, so it was fabulous. So I was getting answers straight away to a lot of, the things that I would send across, and my X-rays and everything. She would on forward to the surgeons directly, and would have an answer within a day for me.
Yeah.
Which in Australia I can't help but compare, and it just doesn't happen that way. So.
Did you use a different agency for when you had your heart done, or did you book direct with the hospital then?
I dealt directly with the hospital.
Okay.
Well, that was a case of its own, because I was recommended by Phuket International Hospital to a cardiologist in Bumrungrad, and I had an angiogram on the Friday. They diagnosed it, and they said, how many weeks do you want to sort of think about this? And I said, when can it be done? I was actually done on Monday, so things go really quickly. So it's great from that point of view. So yeah, I couldn't ask for more.
And will you use renuval again? Will you recommend us?
Oh, definitely recommend you, yeah. And would use you again. Hope not have to.
Yeah, absolutely.
But sure, if the need arises, yeah. In fact, I already have put one of my good friends onto Cherry, and I've no doubt that he would get what he needs done up here and covered in no time whatsoever.
Okay.
So yeah, he's at the moment sailing across from the Panama Canal across to Australia. So yeah, he's just doing that. So he's had some problems, and he's coming to Cherry, and she's recommending this hospital, I think.
Okay.
So yeah.
How's the hospital? How's the food at Samiti Vet Hospital?
Okay, the food's not too bad. I wouldn't recommend the soups, but everything else is fine. Yeah.
And the care?
No, the food and the care. As I said before, everyone really bends over backwards to help you. From every walk of life, the cleaners come in, always say hi, and I might ask them to do something. It's done straight away. There's no demarcation dispute or anything like that. Everyone's so helpful. Yeah, it's like a 5-star hotel to me, and it's better than a 5-star hotel. So
awesome.
Yeah, it's excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That's
okay,
been brilliant.
my pleasure.